Right now, Miss Sarah Biley, off and running. All right, on course, you can't make it to 320 or not. We're going to get the distance here in just one moment. You're guaranteed to be in the pull-off if you go past 320. She's going to be close. Now, ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for schedules about where we're going to be, I do have some schedules right here. Also, the best place to find it is go to T-Pool, www.tpull.com. All right, her distance was 313.110, 313.110. Now, even though that is a full pull, the new rule that we've got implemented this year, or is implemented by NTPA, is a 320-foot rule. The 320-foot rule, meaning the longest the track can be is 320 feet. But once you go beyond 320, they're going to red flag.